In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a blog in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to the CMS panel. Create a new blog posts collection and add the fields you need, such as title, featured image, and content. Click New Item to create your first blog post. Then enter the title, content, and any other details before saving and publishing the item. Open the designer, add a collection list to your page, and connect it to your blog post collection. Inside the collection list, add elements such as a heading, image, and rich text. Then bind each one to the corresponding CMS field to display your blog posts automatically. Preview your blog to make sure everything looks correct, then publish your website. That's how to create a blog in Webflow. Thanks for watching.